Presenting the Amazon Basics Lightweight Camera Tripod. With a weight of just 567 grams, this foldable tripod is compact and easy to carry. The 3-section level lock legs allows you to quickly adjust the height of the tripod in the range of 16.5 inches to 50 inches. You can adjust the flexible tripod legs and comfortably place it on any surface, such as rocks, couch, or your dashboard. Capture full panorama shots using the 3-way head with 360-degree swivel function with handy tilt motion. The quick-release plate allows you to remove your camera from the tripod easily for fast transition between shots. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.